So this is the continuation of removing the, what is it again?
It's the spindle axle.
Spindle axle.
Hold it.
Just put a little bit of wood there, a block of wood. Okay, and position your tractor this way. If you have that time, you can put it that way. And if you don't have a time, you can jack it up. Use a high jack lift or whatsoever, just to, you know, lift that wheel higher. This is pretty stable. And these are the tools we have here. Heavy duty for tractors. Most of the tractor owner have this one because they always repair their tractors, so they won't hire anybody to fix it for them because it's so expensive.
That's right, because we've got no money.
So we'll start from the end of the thing. Somebody recommend to heat it up, but it's, how's this?
It's
We didn't heat it, but the recommendation is remove the nut first, this bolt first before the other side. So that's a good advice there from the viewers. Thank you for that. And now,
but if somebody
we have,
recommends something,
yeah, he said heat it up and then try to remove the bolt first before the back one, because that's
well, that's the lock, but that's
the lock,
that's
yeah.
obviously what we're going to do.
Okay.
There's not enough bloody movement available there.
Yeah, I think we need to position, because this one is what you call it.
Sugar.
It'll be smart if you remove the tire, I think. No? Okay. So we'll just have the extension to put it a little bit away from the tire that's hitting here. So you have more room to, how is this? Undo it. Doing it. Yeah. Because if I am the one who's doing it, I'm gonna remove the tire. Because we have limited access of the shed, we need to move the tractor all the time, so the tire need to be there as long as it could possibly be. So this is a lever. This is just an extra pipe. Okay.
Let's see if I can.
Let's see if he can crack that one. Is it moving?
Yeah. What do we do here? Oh, yes. Oh.
It looks like it's in progress.
Okay.
That one there is holding it so it won't spin. I think it's coming out. That's a shorter. Still need a extension. Okay. So Yeah, it's not undoing here, but it's obviously the thing here
Oh, it's undoing at the back.
at the back.
Yeah,
Undoing
well,
at the back.
the nut can't turn. See,
Yeah.
okay. What I want to do,
Mm-hmm.
I want to see this one's
Yeah.
turning.
Turning.
But I already cracked it.
How did you manage to crack it?
Well, like I did there, I put a.
Ah, okay.
But that was the tightest one.
Mm.
Okay. Excuse me. Okay.
It's damaging the thread of the bolt. So make sure you have a proper size of socket so you won't damage this bolt head bolt.
Even though I got the right size, it's still wearing it a bit.
That's 11/16.
No, one and
Ah,
oh,
one and
oh no, sorry, that is 11/16. That's
okay.
1 and 5/16 on that side.
Okay.
Oh my God, you gadwa. Oh.
Mm. That looks good. It's almost out there. So when it's pretty soft like this, like how is this? How you gonna say it? I mean, when it's loose, no. When it's almost out, you can use your impact socket hand drill, so you won't be um, right there.
Oh,
So you won't be exhausted doing it.
they're rich. I don't know if it's still too tight, but
If it's still too tight, you need
is it?
to manually do it. I said, wait, wait.
And where you hold it, it's there, not up here.
Ah, hold here,
Yeah,
okay.
you just got to hold in position, you know. Yeah.
Okay, one down. Remove it.
No, because I don't want to take the. I don't want to take the axle. I might have to drive the tractor
Oh, shoot.
to
Okay.
reposition it.
All right.
You pull that up. Oh, pull it up, tighten it.
Tighten
You
it.
know, I just want. Oh, well, you're good off the tyre, so it doesn't really matter. I thought it was wedged in the trunk.
So what you trying to do now? You want me to remove this or what?
No. All right. Oh shit! I shouldn't have been doing that. This is not a bloody impact socket. All right, put the next one. I think this one's still too tight. You got it?
Wait there. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Let's do
So,
the hard part.
yeah, they. Hmm. Oh shit!
And that's just a lube.
Yeah. That's just the hold that just in case I want to reposition the tractor.
Okay. Another reach.
Now, I don't think. I don't know. Yeah.
So it's easy when it's loose.
What an amazing statement.
Well, it's better not to say anything.
Can you squirt that up each of those holes?
Holes?
You gotta hold it like because it's nearly empty. Just squirt in there, just put shit plates in there.
Okay.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, we managed to pull this one out. So next video, we need to remove it totally and
Well,
get the new one of
the
this.
next one we'll take the tire and the hub and the bloody stub axle out, and we'll dismantle all this. That's why I just didn't want to take all this off. Fine, we couldn't do that.
Yeah, because we don't normally do the job. Or how's this? We don't finish the job in a one day.
Because we're not very clever.
So what you're trying to do now?
I'm just checking that these. Oh, see, that's bloody tight. There.
Okay, what?
Oh, wait. Yeah. Internally, it's got a right-hand thread, same as the bolt. But externally, it's got a left-hand thread. So they counter each other, and that's the locking mechanism. That's like a lock nut type arrangement. I've never seen it before.
Yeah, all right. So we'll leave it for, we're leaving it for now. I don't know how to talk, sorry. So ding ding for now, subscribe for the next video. So you won't miss any of this video. So this one here is no longer attached to the
No,
bolt.
this is just screwed into the housing here.
Yeah.
This is the locking mechanism.
So let's explain a little bit.
Oh, I thought I just did.
Oh, it's turning.
Oh, darling, that's just because it's what it's done. It's screwed.
Screw.
Let's put that on there. It's started to screw back in because we didn't take them right out. So I didn't want to take them right out. Oh.
Okay. That explains.
Yeah, it's just that it started picking up the bolt again. That's what I said. I don't want to take them out, but I want to leave them located to hold the axle in place.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll leave it
Yeah,
for now. Ding ding.